Well, today, guys, we got the old 30-06 out, and she's working hard. Got her set at 170 to smoke these peppers. I did cook a pizza, guys. I don't recommend Tony's. It's just not really the crust you look for in a good pizza. And even if what you can put anything on there, even barbecue sauce and toppings, you know, even chilies, it doesn't really cover it. But anyway, I'm smoking these up to dehydrate them down. I had to put some more pellets in because she was hungry after all them cooks I've done. And it turned out really good so far, guys. This one's really, really good. So anyway, I'm just smoking off some peppers. And you can see the blue smoke coming out there. I got it at 170. I can probably, what is my actual? It's 180 temp. I'll drop it down to 165 because I got it 180 right now. I came coming down from 450 and I threw these in there early. But yeah, I need to clean her up, guys. She's kind of gotten dirty. She's been abused. I've taken her out and abused her, guys. It's 30-06. But anyway, she's working. She's slaving away. And I'm just trying to take it one day at a time. This is such a sweet little thing, you know. Got your pellet dump out here, and you got your probe sitting right over here. You can probe it, but I don't think I need to probe the peppers. So I don't know. If you guys appreciate it, comment what you want me to cook next, because you know I'm up to anything. Because I gotta go to the grocery store and get some grub, because I got some deer, I think. But I don't know how old it is. So that thing was burn everything and destroy everything. So I don't know if I got any deer or not. It might be a leg of a calf, but it's frozen like a rock. It'll take a week to thaw out, even sitting in the sun. But it's probably been in a deep freeze for about 10 years. So might be wanting to throw it away. Might be freezer burnt. Might be dog food. Yeah, I'll grind it up for the dog. Anyway, that's about it. These here totes, they're not really that good. I got a crack in the top of this one. Yeah, it was for my duck boat, but anyway, she's an old pet porter, and it's got bugs in it, spiders, which I hate. They bite me. So I got this mess here I gotta clean up, guys. I took off the roof, okay, the other day, and kind of pieced it back together over here on the peppers. Because I got some banana peppers growing, guys, and I really don't like over there. See my banana peppers over the patch? That's in the tomato over there. That's the only things that survived this year, and a couple other peppers. But it's been a hard summer, guys. This year nothing really grew, and I'm over here slaving away, dumping buckets of water down in here in this pipe, because that's where my water supply comes from. A weed sprayer, guys. Can you believe it? A weed sprayer that sits in the camper, in the shop. So anyway, this way I can have water so I can take a shower. Grace had to take one this morning. She got in the poison. She got loose. She took off running through the poison. Dashing as she went, the poison got all over her and got on me. I had to wash myself up and degrease her. So she's not happy, but now she is, because she's just kind of hanging out in the yard. Well, she's over there in the kennel. She's hiding. But anyway, they're under my peppers and tomato plant. And I got my bell peppers over here. They look pretty sad, guys. These bell peppers, they took a lot of beating, but they didn't really produce. I mean, for bell peppers not to produce, that's pretty bad. Serranos, you know, they're doing pretty good. There's only 3 plants. They're working overtime. A couple small bell peppers are coming on down here. And then I got, over here, I got the chilies. I got more chili peppers than I do in Tabasco peppers than I got bell peppers. And I got way more bell peppers. And I only got a few banana peppers plants. Oh, probably 100. I don't know. Whatever a couple packs of seeds were. That's what it is from right there, guys. And it runs all the way down over here and then in the tomato plant. It grew like you bunkers. Wouldn't believe it. I put it on a wrap and it came up and it come back down. And it's hard to pick. So that was a mistake. I should have had it raised so it would be easier to deal with. But when I go to pick these, it'll probably be winter time because winter's coming pretty close. This is already October. Here tomorrow's October, so I'm gonna put plastic over it. Hopefully I can get a half a dozen peppers out of it. If not, well, it was an epic failure. But anyway, Grace and me, we're gonna go smoke these peppers. Can you believe it? We're smoking peppers on the smoker. Damn, my back is killing me. But anyway, oh my God, look at all the smoke come boiling out of here. So I got it at 165, guys, and she's belling smoke and bringing it up in here too. But she looking good, looking good. So anyway, that was what I wanted to show you. I'm gonna let her run for a couple hours and let her smoke. I don't really know how to edit videos, guys, yet. I'm kind of learning this thing as I go, so I know that some of you guys are professionals, but some of us are rednecks in the woods that have very poor internet. Can't do much because we have CenturyLink. CenturyLink gives us 0.06 KB upload. I mean, actually no, that's my download. And then 0.0001 is the upload speed. So it takes me about a week to 10 days to get a video up. And I have to do it at the library because I have to walk to the library because I can't drive my truck because no license plates. And I can't drive that truck because no license plates. That truck, no license plates. And I can't drive nothing over there because nothing has wheels. And the tractor I can't drive either because I gotta fix a tire or two. So anyway, so I just really can't do too much except lean against the old 30-06 and kind of wait for hunting season to come. Because I think this will be hungry when it comes hunting season. Yeah, I could be cooking up all kinds of smoked stuff. And what do you think I will be hunting? Anyway, that will be the $1 million question. But I don't know if I'm gonna have $1 million. No, I don't, because they stole it. So you'll be out. So I'm not gonna give out $1 million. So, but it is a $1 million question. What will I cook next on the smoker? Put it in comments. I deeply appreciate it. Thank you.